Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my first video of YouTube that I'm trying to grow on YouTube as well because I've got a couple of followings on Instagram and then TikTok as well, so I'm trying to crack the fucking code of the YouTube as well. Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe. Okay. So all you need to do is this video is that, as you can see, the title of the video is you can download the video from Snapchat and then you can post it on TikTok without getting restricted or anything. All you need to do is you just need this app ASAP. All right, cool. So first thing first, we need to just go to the video that I'm about to play. Okay, so this video is going to make you a millionaire. I said it, a millionaire. Fuck that. Alright, so all we need to do is just start the video because this is a bit loud. So first thing first, there's an app called Aloha. This one. So all you need to do is just download this app. This app is going to make you a millionaire. I said it. This app going to make you a millionaire. So all you need to do is just go to the app, find your favorite influencer, which is already viral. So you don't need to do the extra work as well. So basically, I'm trying to find a good influencer, which is pretty cool to upload on TikTok without getting restricted, and then just go viral instantly. So you see this video of I Should Speed 20 V1 on Sideman, which was very viral as well at the same time. So I'm not gonna do that because this is very too long video, but I choose to download this video, which is the Kai Cenat. So you see this is the Kai Cenat main page on Snapchat. This is very easy. You didn't need to do extra works because obviously these videos have been viral for a minute now. All you all need to do is just download the video and upload it to the flipping, what is it called, TikTok, without getting restricted. So let's get into this bitch. Obviously, all you need to do is just try to share the video and then go to the share and try to open it with the Aloha browser. When you open this page with the Aloha browser, all you need to do is just wait for a couple seconds and then try to. I don't mind that one because obviously my phone was connected to my MacBook. Obviously, so just wait for a couple seconds and then play the video first. This is very important. So let me turn the volume down a little bit. When you play the video and then download the video, when you download the video, just wait for a minute because obviously it's gonna take a little bit of time. It depends on your internet connection because as soon as you get download the video, just mind you, because this video is not going to play on the same browser. So all you need to do is just wait, just have a little bit of patience because this is not that difficult to understand. Just wait for a couple seconds and then when you wait, it's going to get downloaded. It's very easy, very simple. You don't need to do extra work. Obviously, you don't have to worry about the contents because there is a millions and millions and millions of content on Snapchat without getting any copyrighted or any restricted. So just wait for a couple seconds. I know it sounds awkward because this is my first video, but I found this loophole. So you see this video is almost 1 GB. So you don't need to worry about those kind of stuff. Just wait, just close the app and reopen the app and just wait for a couple seconds, okay? When you wait for a couple seconds, just go back to the downloads and then you see the share, but you tap the share button. When you tap the share button, you just go straight to CapCut. When you open the video with the CapCut, just wait for a couple seconds. When you open it with the CapCut, fuck. When you open it, import the footage to the CapCut as it is. Fuck that. When you don't mind my videos on CapCut, so okay, just wait for a couple seconds. Just go back to the last part of the video because there's what things get interesting because obviously this video the last like 5 to 10 seconds of the video is the recap of the whole video, so it's going to be speed up for like 5x. So you just don't need them, you don't want them. All you need to do is just go back to the just scroll and then you see the like just yeah, so this is the exact same part that the video is ended. So I don't have to just keep all the video, or all I'm gonna need to do is split the video and then delete the watermark and everything, and then export the video. When I exported the video, just wait for a couple seconds, because obviously every one of us uses the CapCut, so it's not that difficult to understand. Just wait for a couple seconds and it's going to get exported into your camera roll. Obviously, it has to be an iPhone, because you can't do it on Android and nothing like that, because Android is stupid. Yeah, I said it. Android is a stupid phone. I don't want to use it. I never use it. I don't want to use it ever. So yeah, when the video get exported, all you need to do is just go straight to TikTok without wasting any time. When it get exported, just wait for a couple seconds and then go back to TikTok. When you went to the TikTok, just wait for a couple
Streets are
seconds.
saying you owe Ellis a proper
This
apology.
brother, this
Oh,
brother is yapping at this point. So don't mind me. Don't watch my camera roll. Alright, cool. So
How
that
much?
is
How
the
much? How
video.
much taxes you got?
All you need to do is you know the rest. So I don't need to tell you, but this is very important to know. Like, the video was like a compilation of more than like 4 to 5 videos. So obviously you don't need to post all of them all at the same time, because you need more content, and these are almost already the viral content, so you don't have to just give the sauce like that easy that I'm giving it to you, because I'm not a gatekeeper. So this is a very important thing to know. When you just you don't need to just upload all the whole video out there, because that is 3 minutes or. So obviously you need to just go to the best parts, and then when the video is ended, just split the video and then delete the rest and just wait. It's And the second of all, it's not going to delete the whole video. So obviously you got the video on your camera roll, and then you still can use it. You can use it multiple times, or like you can post it 100 times a day, and it's not gonna get copyrighted. Trust me, it's not gonna get copyrighted, because I've done it before and I've got a couple of different pages. I'm not gonna show it to you, but you can test it out. If it don't work, you can just tell me to fuck off. You can just comment down below if you like it or if you don't like it, because I know this is like a complicated fucking strategy that I'm downloading the videos, but you can do it by yourself. Obviously, you can't do it in any other ways, because it's difficult, and then you can get the watermark and everything. So this is a loophole that I found. I just want to share it to you guys. I'm just trying to grow on YouTube as well. This is a very important thing to know. Like, fuck, bro, just subscribe that fucking page, bro. Alright, cool. So let's continue on the video. All you need to do is just add descriptions, or like, this is the awkward moment between Blueface and whatever. I don't want to do it because it's just a tutorial video, so I don't want to just add an extra details. All I need to do is just add an hashtag to the which ad audience I'm targeting. Um, to this video, obviously is going to be Kai Cenat, because he's pretty famous and pretty um pretty popular as well. So all you need to do is choose the flipping thumbnail for it if you want to. It's up to you if you want it. If you don't, it's up to you, and you're good to go. You just posted the video and then done. You don't have to worry about the extra things. Just wait for a couple seconds, and then you see the video just pops up right there, just right there. So you can check it out right now, and you see the pages over there. You can search it up on TikTok, and you can see that, like, this is legit. This is not a fucking scam or whatever, because I'm not selling anything. Why am I saying that anyway? Just fucking subscribe that fucking YouTube channel, bro. Like, all I'm gonna need you guys to do is, because you see, let's be honest, I gave you the sauce, and I need you to help me to grow. Just comment down below if it didn't work. I'm gonna go into just do the next tutorial, and I got another app which you can download the YouTube videos, because obviously you can try by yourself. This app won't allow you to download YouTube or Instagram videos, or even the TikTok. This app won't allow you to download any other videos, any other applications videos. But I have another app which I'm going to make a video about that one as well. All you need to do is just subscribe that fucking bitch. I mean, whatever, to just get no, just turn on the notifications that when I upload the video, you can see it. This is very easy. You don't have to worry about extra work. And then if you are lazy, this is the best option for you. I'm lazy as a bitch. You can see my fucking room is messed up. I don't give a fuck, but I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. So appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.